Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preheating to 200 degrees C so the exterior sets quickly while the center stays molten. Once preheated, grease and flour 4 ramekins so cakes release cleanly. Crush 8 Oreos to mix into batter, reserving 4 whole cookies to create the lava core. This adds texture and concentrated flavor. Melt 120g chocolate with butter over low heat to avoid seizing. Whisk 2 eggs with 50g sugar until slightly frothy so the batter traps. Once the chocolate is smooth, pour it into the egg sugar base and fold gently. You want cohesion without deflating the batter because trapped air creates lift. Make sure to fold in crushed Oreos evenly so every bite has cookie bits. Spoon batter into ramekins until about 2/3 full. This headroom is crucial for a domed exterior. Then press a whole Oreo into the center of each portion, so when baked the cookie melts and produces that gooey lava core you're aiming for. You'll bake the ramekins for 10 to 12 minutes. Test by a slight jiggle in the center. If it's set solid, it's overbaked and won't be molten. Once out, let them rest 1 minute so edges release, then invert onto plates. The quick flip preserves the lava interior. Serve immediately with ice cream to contrast temperature and texture. If the center set too much, don't panic. Rewarm gently for 10 to 20 seconds in the microwave and spoon warm chocolate sauce over the middle to recreate the gooey effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.